Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed and kept of the Lord. So guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we are in Eastleigh. I'm starting you off in Eastleigh at the Moonlight shopping mall. I wish I had started this video when I was in other shops to show you where I went and how it went, but this was my final place of where I bought my curtains, so I just want to show you how to get to the shop. So at Moonlight shopping mall, you enter, don't use the stairs entrance, use the entrance or the main one. Go straight until you see Quiz Curtain Palettes. So I'm going to show you what they have in there, and then when we come home we're just going to install the curtain. Then I'll show you what I bought and how it looks in the house. So from here guys, there's nothing much to say. I'm going to link up their number in the description box, but from here there's nothing much to say. Just enjoy the video guys, and I hope that when you visit you mention me. So thank you so much guys for coming in here. Let's get straight into this video.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's hard.
So guys, I'm so sorry, but I realized that I lost a clip of me putting the curtains up, and when the curtains were being packed in Eastleigh. But anyway, we moved. So this is how the curtains looked at home. They brought such a new feel to my house. The fabric is perfect. They look so good. They've somehow just brightened up my space, and I love them. So I'll just show you snippets of how they look in the sitting room, in the kitchen, and yeah.
Cause my only crime was hoping there is something more than this loneliness I feel. But no one makes me feel less alive. We're fighting fire. The way you push my buttons just right. We're fighting fire. When two voices of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature
So guys, the folding trick is something I saw on TikTok and it makes the space looks really nice.
Maybe if we took a moment long enough to realize how alike we are, that not everything is broken, 'cause you know me better than anyone by far. But no one makes me feel less.
So guys, this is how the curtains look at night. The gathers are absolutely gorgeous. I am deeply in love with my curtains, guys. They look so good at night. They look way better at night than during the day. So thank you so much guys for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one and stay blessed. Bye guys.